In this class, we are going to learn about lines and transversal. So, before going to the topic, let us see what are intersecting lines. Here we can see two lines which are L and M. Is there any common point that two lines? Yes, we have a common point. So, as like this, if two distinct lines in a plane which have a common point are called intersecting lines. Okay. And this common point is called point of intersection of the two lines. Here you can see another two lines. Are these two lines intersecting? Let us see. If we expand this line is intersecting P, the line P. That is, these two lines are also intersecting lines. Okay. Next, parallel lines. Look at these lines. Here we have two lines L and M. Are these two lines intersecting? Let us expand these two lines. So, these two lines are not intersecting because there is no common point for the two lines. So, that these two lines are not intersecting lines. In this way, the lines which are not intersecting are called parallel lines. Okay. So, two parallel lines cannot have a common point because they are not intersecting each other. Next, transversal. Here, a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points called a transversal. Here we can see two lines P and Q, and we have one more line here L. Here L is intersecting that lines P and Q in two distinct points. So, here L is the transversal to the lines P and Q. Next, here we have three lines L, M and N, and A is intersecting these three lines in three distinct points. So, the line A is called the transversal to the lines L, M and N. Look this picture. Is there any transversal in this picture? No, because each line intersecting remaining two lines at the same point. That is why here no transversal. There is no transversal in this picture. Next, lines and a transversal, which is very important. So, here we have a line L and one more line M, and the line N intersecting L and M at P and Q. Okay. So, when this line intersecting N intersecting L and M at two distinct points, there are 8 angles are formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Okay. Now, angles that are lying inside L and M are called interior angles. That is, here we have L and here we have the angles lying between the lines, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6 are called interior angles, and the angles lying outside L and M are called exterior angles. So, here angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. Okay. Now, the angles which are non-adjacent and lie on the same side of the transversal, of which one is interior and other is exterior, are called corresponding angles. That is, if we take 1 and 5, they are same side of the transversal, and one is interior angle and another is exterior angle, and they are not adjacent to each other. In this type of angles are called corresponding angles. Okay. Pairs of, let us see what are the corresponding angles in this picture. So, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles, angle 2, angle 6, angle 3, angle 7 and angle 4, angle 8. These are the pairs of corresponding angles. Next, the interior angles which are non-adjacent and lie on the opposite sides of the transversal are called alternate interior angles. That is, if you take 3 and 5, these are the opposite side of transversal and these are not adjacent angles. So, that these two angles are alternate interior angles. So, we can see the pairs of alternate angles in this alternate interior angles in this picture are angle 3 and angle 5 as well as angle 4 and angle 6. Okay. Next, the exterior angles which are non-adjacent and lie on the opposite side of the transversal are called alternate exterior angles. Like if you take angle 2, angle 8, they are opposite side of this transversal. So, angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. And one more alternate exterior pair of alternate exterior angle is angle 1 and angle 7. Next, the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are called consecutive interior angles or simply co-interior angles. That is, the interior same side of the transversal, that is angle 4 and angle 5 and angle 3, angle 6. These are the pairs of co-interior angles, that is the angles at the same side of the transversal. Okay. Next, the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal are called co-exterior or consecutive exterior angles. Here consecutive exterior angles, pairs of consecutive exterior angles are angle 1, angle 8 and angle 2, angle 7. Next, parallel lines and a transversal. If L, the line is parallel to, the line L is parallel to M and N is a transversal, now we have 8 angles, that is angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and angles 5, 6, 7, 8. So, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then let us see what is happen. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. And each pair of alternate interior angles are equal, that is angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 equal to angle 6. Also, each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 7 and angle 2 equal to angle 8. Also, each pair of co-interior angles are supplementary, that is angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 and angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Also, each pair of co-interior angles are also supplementary, that is angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 and angle 2 plus angle 7 equal to 180. This is all about lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines and transversal. That is all.